Again, we will go to Sri Ramcharitamanas and read the birth of Rama. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedhase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Pataye Namaha Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Go to page number 192. Page number 192. 192. Page number 189. 189. The first word is Ek Bar Bhupati Manmai. Last line, last chaupai. Last chaupai, page number 189. Page number 189, last chaupai. Ek Bar Bhupati Manmahi. भय गलानि मोर सुत नाही गुर गृह गयउ तुरत महिपाला चरण लागी कर विनय बिसाला एक बार भूपति मन माही. At one particular time, Dasharatha Maharaj was a little disturbed in the mind. Bhaya galani more sutana. I don't have any children. It's looking very difficult for me to live a complete life. Guru Griha Gayavu Turat Mahipala. I immediately went to the house of the master, Vasishta Rishi. Charan lagi kari binaya visala. He fell at the feet of the Guru and then he prayed to him. निज दुख सुख सब गुरहि सुनायऊ कहि वसिष्ठ बहुविधि समुझायऊ धरहु धीर होई हहि सुतचारी त्रिभुवन विदित भगत भयहारी. निज दुख सुख सब गुरहि सुनायऊ. He told everything, all his pleasant state of affairs and the unpleasant state of affairs, all that he described to the Guru. Kahi Vasishta Bahuvidhi Samuchayu. And Vasishta immediately told him, do not worry. Dharahu Dhira. Be courageous, be brave, be composed. Hoi hai Sutachari, you will have 4 sons. Already he has given him the assurance, you are going to have 4 sons. Tribhuvana Vidita Bhagat Bhayahari, they will be known all over the universe. And they will remove the difficulties of the devotees. The fear of the devotees they will remove. Shringi Rishi Vasishta Bolava. पुत्र काम शुभ यज्ञ करावा भगति सहित मुनि आहुति दीने प्रगटे अग्नि चरु कर लीने. Vasishta Rishi sent word to Shringi Rishi, another very great Rishi, who was very proficient in doing yaga, in doing havans. Putra Kam Subh Yajna Karava. Then they conducted a Putra Kameshti Yaga, the yajna which is done in order to attain a son. So that they arranged. Bhagati Sahita Muni Ahuti Dine. So Rishi Shringi Rishi has given the ahutis, the offerings into the fire with total devotion. Immediately, Agni Bhagavan has come from the Agni. Sakshat, he has come in the form of in the human form, and he has brought in his hand payasam. He has brought kheer in his hands. Charu, it's called as charu. This charu is a very special food. He has brought charu in his hands. Jo vasishta kachu hridaya vichara. Sakal kaju bhasiddha tumhara. यह विपाटी देहु नृप जाई जथा जोग जेहि भाग बनाई. And he told Vasishtha Rishi is conveying, Shringi Rishi is conveying to the Raja Dashrath, Jo Vasishtha kachu hriday vichara sakal kaju bhasiddha tumhara. Whatever Vasishtha Rishi had in his mind, for whatever reason he has conducted this yajna, is fulfilled, completely fulfilled, and your intention also is fulfilled. Yaha havi bhanti devun nripajai. You take this havi. The word havi means an offering into the fire or an offering received from the fire. Both are havi. So you take this havi and then give it to your wives. You distribute it among the wives. 3 wives he has. So according to whatever you feel, in whichever manner, proportion you want to distribute them. Tab arisya bhaye pavak sakala sabai samujhai Paramanand magana nrip harashana hriday samai. Now, after that, Agni Bhagavan, he disappeared from there, and all the matter was, everybody, Dashrath Maharaj had conveyed the matter to everybody. Paramananda Magan, he is completely blissful now. The Raja is very, very blissful. He is not able to control his joy. So beautiful. The event has been so beautiful. Taba hi Raya Priya Nari Bolai. कौसल्यादि तहाँ चली आई अर्ध भाग कौसल्य ही दीना उभय भाग आधे कर कीना. तब ही राय प्रिय नारी बुलाए. So Raja has called the 3 wives. Kausalyadi taha chali aayi. All the 3 wives came there. Ardha bhag Kausalya hi deena. He gave half of that to Kausalya. Ubhaya bhag adhe karakina. The remaining part he made into 2 parts. Kaikeyi kaha nrup sodayavu. Rahyo so ubhaya bhag puni bhayavu. कौसल्या कैकेयी हाथ धरी दीन सुमित्र ही मन प्रसन्न करी. कैकेयी कहा नृप सोदयवु. So this remaining half, in that 2 was made. 1 half was given to Kaikeyi. Rahyosu ubhaya bhaga puni bhayavu. Again, the remaining also was done into 2 parts. He gave 1 part each to Kausalya and Kaikeyi, and he said, give this to Sumitra. From you have to give it to Sumitra. So the both of them gave it to Sumitra. Deena Sumitra hi man prasanna kari. Ehi vidhi garbha sahita sab nari. Bhai hridaya harashit sukha bhari. जादिन ते हरि गर्भ ही आए सुख संपत्ति छाए, एहि विधि गर्भ सहित सब नारी. Now all the three wives are now they have conceived. Bhai hriday harashit sukh bhari, they were very very happy in their hearts. Ja din te Hari garbh hi aaye, from the day on which Hari Narayan has entered the womb of Kausalya, everything seems to be prosperous there in Ayodhya. Everything is happening prosperous. Mandir mahsab raj hi rani, शोभाशील तेज की खानी, सुख जुत कछुक काल चली गयो, जेहि प्रभु प्रगट सो अवसर भयो. Now all the three queens are started glowing now, because the Paramatma Ram has already entered the body, and Paramatma in his different part forms has already entered as Bharata, Lakshmana and Shatrughna. So all the three Matas are looking glorious. And time is now slowly passing, and the time has come for the birth of Sri Ram. Jog lagan grah bar tithi, sakal bhaye anukula, char aru achar harsh juta, Ram janam sukh moola. योग माने योग, लग्न, ग्रह, वार और तिथि, पंचांग पूरा का पूरा all in place. जोग, लगन, ग्रह, वार, तिथि, सकल भये अनुकूल, चर और अचर, it is both inanimate and animate. Harsha Jutta, everywhere, entire flowers are smiling, trees are swaying, water is flowing beautifully, everywhere there seems to be joy, joy, joy. Rama Janam Sukhamu, the birth of Rama is naturally going to be the core of happiness. Naumi Tithi Madhumas Punita, Sukala Pacha Abhijita Hari Preeta, Madhya Divasa Ati Seetana Ghama, Pavan Kala Loka Vishrama, Seetal Mand Surabhi Bahabao, Harashita Sur Santana Manachao, Bana Kusumit Giri Ganamani Ara, Sravahi Sakala Saritamrita Dhara, So Avasara Biranchi Jab Jana, Chale Sakal Sur Saj Bimana, Gagan Bimal Sankul Sur Jutha, Gavahi Guna Gandharva Barutha. The most auspicious day of Navami Tithi, Shukla Paksh and Chaitra Mas has come. Everything is exactly 12 midday 12, and that particular month, the day was not very hot, it was neither cool, it was very, very pleasant. Pavana Kala Loka Vishrama, and it is so auspicious at times, the entire world seems to be peaceful. Seetal Mand Surabhi Bahabao, Seetal, cool, Mand, not too harsh, Surabhi, very fragrant wind, breeze is coming exactly at that time. Harashita Sur Santana Manachao, all the devatas are thrilled, and all the saints are also somehow feeling happiness in their hearts. Vanakusamit, the entire forest is fully flowered now. Girigana Mani Ara, all the entire mountains are the manis, the jewels on the mountain, they are all shining, glowing. Sravahi Sakala Sarita Amrita Dhara, all the rivers are giving Amrita, nectar. They are not giving water, they are just flowing in nectar. So Avasara Viranji Jabajana, when Brahma came to know that the time has come, exact time has come, Chale Sakala Surisaji Viman, all of them took their chariots and then decided to go and reach Ayodhya now. Or go on top of Ayodhya. They are going to see the entire event by the web, They are going to see it. From the top they are going to see it. From the top of the sky they are going to see the entire event. Chale Sakala Surasaji Vimana, Gagana Vimala Sankula Surujutha. On the top you see all the devas are standing there. Gavahi Guna Gandharva Barutha. All the Gandharvas are singing beautiful chants. Varashahi Sumana Su Anjali Saji. Gahagahi Gagana Dundubhi Baji. Astuti Karahi Nagamuni Deva. Bahubidhi Lavahi Nija Nija Seva. All the Devatas and Gandharvas were assembled on top. They are all offering flowers from there. Gahagahi Gagana Dundubhi Bhaji. Very loudly, very loudly, all the nagaras, everything, all the drums are playing. Astuti Karahi Nagamuni Deva, the Nagas, the Rishis and the Devatas are all singing praises. Bahubidhi Lavahi Niju Niju Seva. Not only flowers, they are bringing whatever gifts they could, all getting ready and coming. Surasamoha Binati Kari. Pahuche Nij Nij Dhama. Jaganivas Prabhu Pragate. Akhila Loka Vishrama. Now they offered exactly at that moment Sri Rama's born. Bhai Pragata Kripala Deen Dayala Kausalya Hitakari. Bhai Pragata Kripala Deen Dayala Kausalya Hitakari. Harshita Mahatari Muni Manahari Adbhuta Rupa Vichari. Harshita Mahatari Muni Manahari Adbhuta Rupa Vichari. Lochana Bhirama Tanu Ghana Syama Nija Ayudha Bhujachari. Lochana Bhirama Tanu Ghana Syama Nija Ayudha Bhujachari. Bhushana Vanamala Nayana Visala Sobha Sindhu Kharari. Bhushana Vanamala Nayana Visala Sobha Sindhu Kharari. Kah dui kar jori astuti tori kehi vidhi karau ananta. Kah dui kar jori astuti tori kehi vidhi karau ananta. Maya guna jnana tita amana veda purana bhananta. Maya guna jnana tita amana veda purana bhananta. Karuna sukha sagar sab guna agar jehi gavahi shruti santa. Karuna sukha sagar sab guna agar jehi gavahi shruti santa. Soma mahita lagi jana anuragi bhayav prakat श्रीकंता, सो मम हित लागी जन अनुरागी, भयउ प्रगट श्री ब्रह्मांड निकाया निर्मित माया, रोम रोम प्रतिवेद कहे, ब्रह्मांड निकाया निर्मित माया, रोम रोम प्रतिवेद कहे, मम उर्सो बासी यह उपहासी, सुनत धीर मति थिर न रहे, मम उर्सो बासी यह उपहासी, सुनत धीर मति थिर न रहे, उपजा जब ज्ञाना प्रभु मुसुकाना, चरित बहुत विधि कीन चहे, उपजा जब ज्ञाना प्रभु मुसुकाना, चरित बहुत विधि कीन चहे, कही कथा सुहाई मातु बुझाई, जेहि प्रकार सुत प्रेम लहे, माता पुनि बोली सोमति डोली, तजहु तात यह रूपा, माता पुनि बोली सोमति डोली, तजहु तात यह रूपा, की जैसी सुलीला अति प्रिय शीला, यह सुख परम अनूपा, की जैसी सुलीला अति प्रिय शीला, यह सुख परम अनूपा, सुनि बचन सुजाना रोदन ठाना, होई बालक सुर भूपा, सुनि बचन सुजाना रोदन ठाना, होई बालक सुर भूपा, यह चरित जगावई हरिपद पावई, तेन परहि भवकूपा, यह चरित जगावई हरिपद पावई, तेन परहि भवकूपा. Very, very beautiful incarnation of Paramatma Sri Ram has taken place. Very, very beautiful grey colored body, excellent eyes, four-armed, having Shankha, Chakra, Gada and Padma, and giving darshan to all the three mothers, because Rama is the eldest. The moment Rama was born, the other mothers also have come to know. They are just in their places, but they are already seeing the form. Rama is giving darshan to all the mothers at a time. Everybody is getting darshan at a time. So nobody knows what to do. Simply they folded their hand and said, you are Sakshat Parabrahma who has come here. You are Sakshat Paramatma who has come here. What a fortune it is that we are able to see you as our child. Then ultimately, slowly, Kausalya Mata says, one request. You have come here as Paramatma and given darshan to us, but that is not what we intend, no? Why don't you become a normal child and give us darshan? So immediately Sri Ram has taken the form of a normal child. And then she requests him, you should play around here. You should be the exact child. We want to see you as a child and do the Bala Leela. So Bhagavan agreed to that because he could take any form at any time. And now Sri Ram has come to Ayodhya. Sri Ramachandra Bhagavan ki Jai.